Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome, welcome. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel. Today's video you will definitely like because it is altogether interesting Ayurvedic alchemy, Rasashastra. Rasashastra. Shastra is a science, science of Mercury, science of Maharas, different interesting products from Ayurveda. So let us start to discuss about this particular topic, Rasashastra. Today we will discuss Parad, that is Mercury, and Maharas. Presented by myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. My WhatsApp number is yes 922681060. Why this particular video is very useful? Because it will give the introduction of Mercury and Maharas. This video is definitely useful for second year BMS students, BAMS, because it is according to the CCRM syllabus, paper 1, part B, Maharas. But my dear friends, this video will be definitely useful to all Ayurvedic practitioners because all of these topics that I am going to discuss about Maharas, they are useful in our practice also. So, benefits of Rasa Aushadhi. Rasa Aushadhi, Rasa means Parad. This is a great development in the field of Ayurveda. Great development. Previously, in the Charak time, there were only herbal medicines were popular. Of course, herbal medicines are very, very useful, no doubt about it, Ayurvedic medicinal plant. But when you add something like mercury, sulfur, that means together kajali, that is a boom to get the results. Addition of mercury and metals in the Ayurvedic medicines proved immense benefits. Number one, very, very quick in action. Very small dose is required as compared to the herbal dose. Very easy to take tablet. We can easily take, no bitter taste of the herbal powders. So patients' acceptability or compliance is more. And most fourth important point, long shelf life. Expiry date can be prolonged because herbal powders can be valid only for 3-4 months. Then their efficacy goes down. I will give the simple example. Arogya Vardhini is the name of Ayurvedic tablet. Arogya Vardhini, the best liver tonic. Best liver tonic for jaundice, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C. Arogya Vardhini. It has a chief ingredient, Kutaki, Picrohaza Kuro. This is a very good to make a pitta stravana, digestive juices, enzymes. Bile is secreted very nicely. But that Kutki churna, if I want to give to the jaundice patient, I have to give nearly 2-3 spoons 3 times in a day. Do you understand? It's a very, very bitter. So it's impossible to take. But when I mix it with the mercury and sulfur, the dose is in milligram of Kutaki, but the efficacy double and triple. Are you getting my point? So in spite of using only herbal powders, if you add metals and mercury and sulfur, quick in action, smaller dose, easy to take, and long shelf life. These 4 are the most important benefits of Rasa Aushadhi. Okay. No misunderstanding, please. There are a lot of rumors about the Rasa Aushadhi. For example, metals from Rasa Aushadhi can cause hepatotoxicity, nephrotoxicity, liver will be damaged, kidney will be damaged. This is the propaganda from the anti-Ayurvedic people. Anti-Ayurvedic people. These are the rumors, misunderstanding. This is not correct. If the doctor uses genuine Rasa Aushadhi prepared from standard pharma company, for example, only Baidyanath, Ayurveda Rasashala, lot of medicines are there. Metals are never used in Ayurveda in raw form, but they are used after purification. Professor Deshpande myself has uploaded lots of videos about Ayurvedic medicine preparation. Please go to the playlist and check those videos. How we detoxify the metals. The video is there. Okay. List of Maharas, Sadharan Rasa and Uparasa. Abhra Vaikranta Makshik, Vimal Adrija Sasyaka, Chapala Rasaka. 8 Maharasas. Kampilla, Gauripashana, Navasagar, Kaparda Vanijara Girisindura, Hingula, Mriddara Shrunga. 8 Sadharan Rasa and Uparasa, secondary. Gandhaka Gairika Kasis, Kankshi Tala Shilanjana. Okay, and Kankushta. So 8 Maharasas, 8 Sadharan Rasas, and 8 Uparasas. Okay. Parad, let us start with the Parad, the best rejuvenator and aphrodisiac, sex tonic. Parad, Mercury, whenever we use, is anti-aging. You cannot be old, even if you are 60 years. So degeneration process is stopped. Health promoter, anabolic, nutritious, brain tonic, heart tonic, improves digestion. Kajjali, how the Kajjali is prepared? Mixing mercury and sulfur, and together this Kajjali is a very common ingredient of many rasaushadhis, herbo mineral products, because Kajjali is antiseptic and catalyst. Indications of Parada and mercury: number 1, anemia, hemoglobin is less, tuberculosis, bronchial asthma, diabetes, non-healing ulcers, skin diseases, ascites, and irritable bowel syndrome. And most important is action on the nervous system. So, Parad Murchita Rasaushadhi. Parad Murchita Rasaushadhi. 4 types are there: Khalvi Rasayana, Parpati Rasayana, Kupipakva Rasayana, and Pattali Rasayana. Rasayana is rejuvenator. Rasayana is a tonic. Khalvi, Portland. Okay, so Khalvi Rasayan, Kajjali, examples: Sutta Shekhar Rasa, Khalvi Rasayan. Arogya Vardhini Vati is a Khalvi Rasayan. Trituration, okay. Parpati, Rasa Parpati, Panchamrita Parpati, Kupipakva Rasayan in the bottle. Rasa Sindur, Suvarnavanga, Samira Pannagras, and Rasa Karpur. The bottle, okay. Pottali Rasayana, Hema Garbha Pottali, most famous drug as an emergency, cardiac stimulant like adrenaline. Hema Garbha Matra is very similar action like adrenaline, life-saving drug. When the BP is dropped, pulse is dropped, Hema Garbha Chatan, Rasa Garbha Pottali. Kupipakva Rasayana, different types, Rasayana. Galastha, that means in the bottle, the deposit is at the neck of the bottle. Rasa Sindur is an example of medicine. Talastha, at the bottom of the bottle, Samira Pannagarasa. And Ubhayastha, at the neck as well as the bottom, it accumulates. It is manufactured during the process. Suvarna Siddha Makaradhvaja, sex tonic. Formulations of Parada and mercury: number 1, Rasa Sindur, best anti-kapha, bronchiectasis, pneumonia, 60 mg to 125 mg 2 times in a day. Rasa Pottali, 60 mg to 125 mg BD. Rasa Parpati, Swarnavanga, Maha. These all are 60 to 1. Very little amount is required. Herbo mineral. Mahayogaraj Gulu, best tonic for arthritis, osteoarthritis. 2 tablets 2 or 3 times in a day. Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa, best lung tonic. Clears the kapha molecules. Kapha, bronchiectasis, asthma, when there is a lot of balgam, give the Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa. 1 to 2 tablets 2 times in a day. Maharasa. In spite of looking for tricks, I will say all the students and doctors, please mug up these shlokas, chant it 100 times. Abhra Vaikranta Makshika, Vimal Adrija Sasyakam, Chapalo Rasakascheti Natvashto, Sangrahendra San. Abhra Vaikranta Makshika, Abhra Vaikranta Makshika, Vimal Adrija Sasyakam, Vimal Adrija Sasyakam, Chapalo Rasakascheti Natva Ashtau, Ashtau 8. Sangrahendra San. Abhrak, Mica. Vaikranta, fluorite. Makshik, Suvarna Makshik, CuFeS2, copper sulfate, okay, copper ferrous sulfate. Vimal, iron pyrite. Vimal, Shilajit, black bitumen. Sasyak, Tuth, Morchud in Marathi, blue vitriol in chemistry. Chapal, confused drug. No, don't know whether it is a bismuth, whether it is a selenium. Confusion in chapal. Rasak, Kharpar, that is ZnCO3, zinc carbonate, ZnCO3, black jack. So these are Abhra Makshika, Vimal, Shilajit, Sasyaka, Chapala, Rasaka, Maharas. Not in use. About 8, 5. 5 are not much in use. Not Chapal, nobody uses. Giri Sindur, nobody uses. Mriddar Shunga, not uses. Anjana, not. Kankushta, no. So these 5 out of 8 are not in use. Try to understand. Odd man out. Very interesting. Odd man out. In Rasashastra, amongst all metals, there is a mention of Kampillaka. Kampillaka. This Kampillak means fur on the fruit of fruit. Malatus philippinensis. This is a tree. So this Kampillak is not metal, although it is included in Rasashastra. Kankishta. Kankishta is also not metal. This is gum of Mysore gambos tree. Do you understand? So Kampillak and Kankishta are like odd man out. No metals, still in Rasashastra. Abhrak, Abhrak Bhasma, Abhrak and Abhrak Bhasma, Mica and Bhasma. This is the best brain tonic, rejuvenator, sex tonic, anti-aging, health promoter, anabolic, enhancer, improves digestion, cardiotonic, sweet, snigdha, cooling rasayan, madhura madhura sheet, nutritious, three doshagna, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, they are homeostasis. Medhya, brain tonic. Kesha, for the hair, best. Netriya, for the eyes, best. Varnya, skin color and complexion. Indications where we can use? In diabetes, non-healing ulcers, Abhrak. Skin diseases, ascites, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. After eating, going to the toilet, IBS. Sometimes constipation, sometimes liquid. Anemia, hemoglobin is less. Tuberculosis, bronchial asthma. Abhrak Bhasma is available as Dashaputi Abhrak Bhasma, Shataputi Abhrak Bhasma, Sahasraputi Abhrak Bhasma. Formulations. Which medicines includes Abhrak Bhasma? Plain Abhrak Bhasma 125 mg to 250 mg 2 times in a day. Arogyavardhini, Bhrat Vat Chinta Maniras. Bhrat Vat Chinta Maniras. Best anti-vata drug, best nervine tonic in the hemiplegia, paralysis, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinsonism, any brain problem, motor neuron disease. We use this Bhratavata Chintamani to delay the aging process. Okay? Vasanta Kusuma Kararasa. Again, best lung tonic, Mahayogaraj Gulu, anti-arthritic, Panchamrita Parpati, any problems with the colon, enteron, chronic sprue, grahani, panchamrita parapadi, Mahalakshmi Vilas Rasa, lung tonic, Vikrant fluoride. Properties of Vikrant, brain tonic, similar, rejuvenator, aphrodisiac, sex tonic, anti-aging, health promoter, anabolic, improves the digestion and balances Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vikrant, it is used in ascites, irritable bowel syndrome, anemia, low hemoglobin, tuberculosis, bronchial asthma, and cough. How we can use? Plain Vikranta Bhasma. Vikranta Bhasma also used many times in a cancer patients. Cancer, Vikranta Bhasma. Like Hiraka Bhasma, alternative is a Vikranta Bhasma. Vasanta Kusuma Kararasa. Best nutritive tonic for the lungs and heart. Then Ratna Prabhavati and Vijaya Parapati. It includes Vikranta. Suvarnamakshi, copper, ferrous, okay, copper, ferrous and sulfur, okay, Suvarnamakshi. Rejuvenator, anti-aging, health promoter, anabolic, improved digestion, balances tridosha, cardiochronic, similar like the Abhrak and Vikranta. It is also used in the anemia, especially Suvarnamakshik is best to improve the hemoglobin, tuberculosis, bronchial asthma, cardiac problem, irritable bowel syndrome, and diabetes. How we can use Makshika Bhasma? Very little, 60 to 120 milligram. Jayamangala Rasa. Jayamangala Rasa in PUO, pyrexia of unknown origin, chronic fever, maybe malaria, maybe typhoid. Jayamangala Rasa. Okay. Chandra Prabhavati for the urinary tonic, urinary tract, genital urinary tract to control the diabetes, to control the obesity, to control the urinary problems. Chandra Prabhavati with Swarnamakshika. Tapyadi Lohavati, best hematinic. Tapyadi Lohavati, 2 tablets 3 times in a day with Loha Sav. Definitely your anemia will be reduced. If your hemoglobin is less than 10 gram, take this Tapyadi Lohavati. Panchamruta Parpati, best intestinal tonic. Irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease. Okay, so gluten allergy, lactose intolerance. Panchamruta Parpati for GI tract, digestive system with Suvarnamakshika. Vimal, iron pyrite, iron. Okay, rejuvenator, anti-aging, health promoter, anabolic, balances 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and heart tonic. Vimala is with 6 tests, Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katutikta, Kashaya, so 3 doshagna. Bhasmas, this particular Vimala for long life, Balya, Varniya. Varniya means skin color and complexion. Vrishya, tonic, sex tonic, Rasayana. This can be used alternative to the Hiraka Bhasma. In spite of diamond, you can use the Vimala. Remember this thing. Indications: anemia, tuberculosis, irritable bowel syndrome, diabetes. How we can use Vimala Bhasma, or what next? Rasendra Chudamani Rasa. Okay, then Kshaya Kesari Rasa. Kshaya means tuberculosis. Kshaya Kesari Rasa. Okay, Rasa means with mercury and sulfur. Then Navaratna Raja Mruganka Rasa. Navaratna Raja Mruganka Rasa. This is also best tonic for lungs in tuberculosis. Shilajit is also best rasayan, black bitumen. Okay. Properties of Shilajit: brain tonic, rejuvenator, aphrodisiac, anti-aging, health promoter, anabolic, heart tonic, improves digestion, and mainly in dyslipidemia. Shilajit to reduce the obesity. Shilajit to control the diabetes. Shilajit to correct the disturbed fat metabolism. Shilajit, Shilajitvadivati, Shilajitvadivati. When there is a dyslipidemia, cholesterol is more than 200 milligram, triglyceride 150 milligram, more than 150 milligram percent, you use the Shilajit, Shilajitvadivati. Diabetes, non-healing ulcers, skin diseases, ascites, peritoneal fluid is there, irritable bowel syndrome, anemia, obesity, and hypercholesterolemia or dyslipidemia. Arogyavardhini is the best medicine to improve altogether your metabolic processes. It contains Shilajita. Chandra Prabhavati, genitourinary tonic in diabetes, in obesity. Chandra Prabhavati in urinary tract problems. Tapyadi Lohavati, best for anemia. Shilajitvadivati. Sasyaka, blue vitriol. Sasyaka, strong emetic. Is a purificatory. Sasyaka, anti-poisonous. Skin tonic, ophthalmic tonic, vermicidal, anti-worms, threadworm, roundworm, tapeworm, giardia, amoeba. Sasyaka, okay? Rejuvenator. So cleansing. Sasyaka is for cleaning the body. Sasyak for cleaning the body. Diabetes, Kletha is removed. Skin disease, Kletha is removed. Worm, Kletha is removed. Tapeworm, threadworm, hookworm, amoeba, giardia. Cardioprotective. Trailokya Chintamani Ras, very powerful drug. Trailokya Chintamani Ras in emergency. Trailokya Chintamani Ras. Jatyadi Tel externally. Jatyadi Tel local application. Then Mahamrutyunjaya Ras, also emergency medicine. Mahamrutyunjaya Ras, Sarja Rasa Malahara. It also contains Sasteka for cleansing purpose. Chappala, confused drug, bismuth or selenium. Confused, nobody sure about it. Today, chappal is a controversial drug. Some experts in Ayurveda believe that chappal is ore of bismuth. Due to controversy and unavailability, chappal is not used in practice. Chappal is not used in practice. Rasaka, that is zinc, ZnCO3, zinc carbonate, rasaka, balances kapha-pitta dosha. Rasaka, kalkhapri, ophthalmic tonic, rejuvenator, and improves the digestion. It can be used in diabetes, ophthalmic diseases, tuberculosis, skin diseases. What are the products? Kalkhapri and Marich, Vasant Malini Ras, Laghu Malini Vasant, Madhu Malini Vasant, Suvarna Malini Vasant. These three types of kalpas, they contain Rasaka. All these kalpas are best to improve your weight, to improve your lung capacity, fighting capacity of the lung. So Laghu Malini, Madhu Malini, and Suvarna Malini. Up, up, up. Laghu Malini contains Kalkhapri and Marich. Madhu Malini contains egg, and Suvarna Malini contains gold. So they are more and more powerful. This is called as a Vasanta Kalpas. Three Kalpas you don't forget. Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa, also best respiratory tonic. My dear friends, today we have discussed very interesting topic of Ayurveda, that is Parada, Mercury and Maharas. Similarly, I am going to give you the importance of Sadharan Rasa video and also Uparasa video, then Ratna video, Uparatna video, Dhatu, and all these things we are going to do. So please, for getting these videos, please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want my paid services, online consultation, online teaching, PPT as per demand, audios as per demand, and videos as per demand, you please WhatsApp me 9226810630. So thank you very much. I wish you all the best in your studies and in your practice. If you are patient, get well soon. All the time of God bless you, my dear friends. So thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.